everyone, this is Juvstv and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, we're going to cook fried rice kimchi. So here's the ingredients that we're gonna use. We have 2 cups of rice, kimchi 200 grams, garlic 1 teaspoon, onions 1 tablespoon, onion leeks 1 tablespoon, beef 100 grams, magic syrup 1 teaspoon, kimchi juice 1 tablespoon, oil 1 teaspoon, and of course the black pepper. So let's get started. Guys, in a low medium heat, let's add an oil. Let's add the garlic. Let's add the white onions. And we're gonna add the kimchi. So let's add the onion leeks. So it's time to add the rice, guys. So let's add the kimchi juice. Ayan. So keep mixing till the rice are coated with the kimchi juice. And then it's time for the seasoning. So I'm gonna add magic syrup. So let's taste it. Okay, last but not the least, let's add black pepper on top. It's done. since wala tayong egg, I'm gonna add this one. This is a artificial crab. So let's put it on top. And we're gonna add green onion. That's it. It's done. Ito na ang ating finished product, fried rice with kimchi, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching and hope to see you next time. Bye!